There is one key thing that all beginners tend to forget to include into their training when they first start at the gym. And what that is progressive overload. Let me explain in a simple way for you guys that don't understand what it is. Progressive overload is when you're gradually increasing the difficulty of each workout so your muscles can keep growing and keep adapting. For example, let's say I get 100 kg bench for 5 reps. Next session, I need to make sure I need to do 100 kg for 6 to 7 reps, or I increase the weight by 2.5 to 5 kg, around that type of weight range. By me doing that, I'm making my muscles adapt to new things every single session. And when your muscles are adapting to new things every single session, they grow. And you guys need to make sure you're progressively overloaded every single session. And you need to make sure you stay in the same training plan. Switching your whole training plan around is not going to help you, but that's what progressive overload is, and you need to make sure that you are including that into your training, because that's the real secret of making progress in the gym. So drop a follow for more content and take care.